here with Kyle Sushi Catering. I'm here today showing you how to make poke roll with albacore. I made poke earlier and I have leftover albacore poke. I don't want to toss it, so I want to utilize it and make a poke roll for you. Let me show you. Grab about 4.5 ounces of rice, sushi rice. Okay, set that out. You guys have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, please feel free to leave us any kind of suggestions or questions or comments on this video. And if you have any questions in regards to the product, all the details are written in the link below. Okay, get that set up. Now carefully slice out 2 avocados. Add a nice touch to the roll. Save that. I like to use the avocado at the bottom first because it actually helps it bring everything together. It keeps it together, as in it keeps it sticky. Okay. Next, what I'll do is let's strain out a lot of the juice out of this. Okay. I'll add the poke in here. This will be actually really delicious, the sushi roll. Okay. And then the cucumber that I cut from the video earlier, katsuramuki. And then there's that. I turn it, roll it, tuck and roll is the technique. And then we grab it and roll it right over. Roll that right over. My sushi mat, which is also called a makisu. I have this wrapped up so it doesn't stick to the rice. I'll use this to shape the rice. Okay. There we go. We have one that came out. That's okay. I have imitation crab that I'll be using. I'll split that up. Set that right on top. Actually, it's a little watery and I don't like that, so I'll go ahead and dry this out a little bit, get the moisture off of it. Complicated. Get a sheet of paper towel, just lightly press on it, absorb all the water. Okay, there you go. I like that better. Set that on top. Okay, set that guy there. And now I'll grab saran. This way I can shape the roll without having the plastic on the makisu and still keep everything together. So be a little bit firm with this. Press the ends in, tuck and tuck this end in. As I discussed in previous videos, a typical roll is about 8 pieces. That is exactly what we'll get out of this one. Starting from the center, cut them in half. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Let's see. I would like to plate this on this green plate. When you're removing your plastic, please make sure you have all of the plastic off of your food. Turn that in this way. Okay. I would like to add the little dabs of spicy mayo. Just so it just adds a little sauce to it and doesn't feel dry. Okay. Then, my favorite part, we torch it. Woohoo! Okay, that and that'll finish. You can use either green onions or chives as a garnish. I'm going to use chives. Okay, toss the ends. Well, if you don't have chives available, you can always use green onions. If you don't have that available, that is totally fine as well. So here we have our albacore poke roll with imitation crab and chives done at home. Cheers.